Why should you choose an air tool from the new range of Draper Expert low noise, low vibration air tools? How much damage does noise in your workplace do to your hearing? How much unnecessary vibration does your body have to withstand? HAVS, hand-arm vibration syndrome, or white finger, is a widespread hazard when using power tools for long periods. Did you know that for every 3 decibel increase in noise, the actual noise level doubles? For example, from 60 decibels to 63 decibels would be twice the noise, and from 60 decibels to 66 decibels it would be 4 times the noise. For advice on the control of noise and vibration at work, and to help understand the risk and what your responsibilities are, you should visit the Health and Safety Executive's websites www.hse.gov.uk/vibration and www.hse.gov.uk/noise. The new range of Draper Expert composite-bodied, lower noise, lower vibration air tools could really make the difference. Listen to these examples, understand the facts, and make up your own mind. Now you've heard the difference and seen the facts, why not view our full range of Draper Expert composite, lower noise, lower vibration air tools at www.draper.co.uk.